Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but that's about to change today. So today we're actually going to look at a new project truck. I feel pretty good about this one. I've been looking for probably a couple months now, actually. This is the third one in the last 3 weeks that I've gone to look at. The first two were not what I was looking for at all, but I got a good feeling about this one. So we got cash in hand. We're gonna go grab the trailer, and we're gonna see if this is what I'm looking for. Got the trailer. Now let's hit the road. Alright guys, so here she is in all her glory. Now, I know what you're thinking. Just trust me, I'll explain in a little bit here, but I'll give you the details. This is an 03 Ram 2500. It's a 3/4 ton. It has the 5.9. It has the 48 RE. It's a Laramie. It's loaded up. Not in the best shape, but it is a loaded up Laramie. Not that that really matters to me, and you'll see why in a little bit. But yeah. Big old 440K on the dash there. But it runs smooth, let me tell you. So, give you a look under here. Typical Dodge hood struts won't hold the hood up, but that's okay. But yeah, it definitely was somewhat of a farm truck for at least a good portion of its life, from what I can tell. Not a whole lot of exciting stuff under here, just a plain old 5.9. We'll give this thing a fire up. Oh yeah, air filter was removed because it was so clogged up. Just to show you how good it was maintained, I guess. Let this grid heater go. She's a little chilly this morning. Runs pretty good. Good oil pressure. We got some dash lights, but again, for what we're doing, won't really matter too much. Now, the one issue I have found with this truck, you can see somebody's been in here kind of trying to fix lines and whatnot. I've got a pretty good leak coming from over here. This rubber line goes up, attach it to a steel line with a cheap hose clamp like that, and it's dripping pretty good. And when I went to load this thing on the trailer, the transmission wasn't too happy. As soon as you put any kind of torque on it, it just decided to slip. So I'm hoping it's just low on fluid. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if the forward clutches are shot in this 48, being that it's got 440k on it. But hopefully I can just clean that up, tighten it up, maybe throw another hose clamp on it, fill the tranny up to the right level, and hopefully take this thing for a drive and see how it actually shifts, because I never actually did get to drive it when I bought it. But yeah, you can see this is kind of a mess in here. But this line that's leaking, it does run to this transmission cooler that's back here. So hoping I can just kind of clean that up and at least get somewhat of a road test in before we do what we're planning with this thing. Now, I know what you're thinking. No, I thought you were a GM guy. Well, I am. But there's something to be said about the old Cummins engines, especially the old 5.9s. I mean, you just can't beat them. Like, even with high mileage, they still have tons of power, lots you can do to them, and they just run so well. Now, obviously, I found one that doesn't have blow-by. The last couple I looked at did have blow-by. But you find a solid one, you take care of it. I mean, these things are powerhouses. The 48 behind them, that's a little bit of a different story, but we can work with that. So this truck is not staying as a Dodge, let's just put it that way. I'm not going to say too much just yet. You'll have to tune into the next video to see what my plans are with this. But let's just say the body condition on this thing doesn't matter. It was the drivetrain that I'm interested in. So I won't say too much more about that right now. Again, you'll have to tune in for the coming videos to see what the hell we're doing with this thing. But should be an interesting project. This is pretty much exactly what I'm looking for. I was hoping for maybe a little bit lower miles, but again, it's so tough to find these things with decent mileage because people are fixing them and they're selling them. Like, to find something that the body condition is so shot that it makes it worth it to do what I want to do with it, you're going to have higher mileage, and that's just the way it is. So if you can find one that's in decent shape, somewhat maintained, and then has something you can work with, then that's all you can ask for, really. So like I said, if you're interested in seeing what we're going to be doing with this, make sure to subscribe. Be sure to comment if you're excited for this, and make sure to follow me on all the social medias. Keep up to date on this thing. And with all that being said, we'll see you guys in the next one.